Hi everyone, this is a virtual tour for you at the beautiful Hotel 1000 here in Seattle. This hotel is known for its stunning design and luxury amenities. Let's take a look inside. We're here in the bar area, a perfect place to lounge and catch up to any folks you might be visiting or any coworkers you're here for an event. And there's a bar at the center. And here in the lobby, it's a modern elegance and warm hospitality. It is an inviting atmosphere, also interesting light fixtures as you see above. And heading to the fitness center. You get some privacy, so no one can really look into the fitness center. They offer free weights and a bench if you just want to work on building muscle. And there is complimentary fruit and headphones and water and your towels. And as you can see, they offer different types of cardio machine if you want to run or do biking. Now for the room. Let's take a look inside. Here, look in the hallway and to the bathroom. Has an interesting setup. The water in the bath does come from above, so be careful. There's towels on the side. And then you can see right into the bedroom. You got your toilet paper. And for your sink, you have your tissues, mouthwash, makeup, more towels, your hair dryer. And in the main room, there's 2 queen beds. You have a working area, your TV. Remote control, 2 complimentary waters. You have a lounge area if you want to just relax. They do sell snacks and beer and alcohol. They have complimentary coffee. In the closet you have your hanger. You have your safe. And here's where they sell the alcohol. Energy drinks and soda as well. You give your robe and slippers. And the snack station, you can make your purchase. And that pretty much concludes the tour. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Until next time, see ya.